Here's the last chorus. So, I can't stop the rain from falling. I'm drowning in these tears I cry. Since you left without a warning, I face the dawn with sleepless eyes. Boom, boom. No, I can't go on. This is different. When clouds are pushing down on me, boy, I can't stop the rain from falling. Outside groups, you go your specific direction. On this last little dance break, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. This side, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. The middle group, you do the shimmy, drop, body roll, up, drop. So again, that is 1 and a 2, 3, 4, drop. And then everyone goes, can't stop the rain, boom, from, and then ending pose. For the middle group, you anticipate, starting on the word fallen, and it goes, can't stop the rain, from falling, boom. Outside group, the outermost group, you do can't stop the rain, from falling, boom. Or if you're on this side, you do around towards your body and pop. If you're in the front group that lands like this, you do not anticipate. It goes can't stop the rain, from falling, boom. Or if you're on this side, you hit this way. If you land like this, you do anticipate. Starting on fall, you go can't stop the rain, boom. From falling, hit.